I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to draw a puppy. Now I had a little practice with this. I used a pencil and sketched it like that. So I've had a practice. I usually use a pencil when I'm drawing anyway. And then you can rub it out if you make a mistake. And then go over it afterwards with a pen. So let's go. A little puppy. I'm doing a cute little puppy this time. So I might start with the ears. I'm doing big ears because the puppy hasn't yet grown into his ears. So I want to do big. One on that side. And then another one on that side. Okay. And then I'm going to draw the head. Oh, actually I want to draw some cheeks. Go down there. I've done it wrong there because now I might smudge mine. So you usually start at this side. And I always do it. There we go. And then I'm going to draw up to here. I've done it again, haven't I? There we go. Like that. So there's the head. And then I'm going to draw the body. I'm going to come all the way down to there. All the way down to there. And the paws. So I'm just going to go up, up, up. Now you notice I've drawn the paws big because again he's not grown into his paws. There we go. And the legs, you can just do lines like that. Same on that side. Just lines up. Now big nose. Makes it look more like a puppy. You've got a massive nose on there. So I'll colour that in. You can do whatever colour you like. My dog's got a brown nose. I hope she's behaving out there. She's been cheeky this morning. She's been pulling plants up again. Because my partner likes growing stuff. I think it's quite funny, but I hope she doesn't watch this video now and hear me saying that. Because it's not. She don't find it funny. Obviously. She brings them to you. She rips them up and then brings them to you. See, she thinks it's a game. There we go. Sorry, I'm talking now, aren't I? There we go. I'm going to do a little sad out your brows. You can do whatever you like. Now the pupils in the middle. We're going to go round. And then the same on that side. There we go. And I think I might put a collar on. I'm going to have a collar on. I'm going to do that. I can hear her. This cheeky girl. Don't know what she's saying. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do a little love heart tag because it's cute. There we go. And that is the puppy done. You can colour. Oh, no, we need to do the hand. I've missed off a tail. There we go. Needs a little tail on there. A cute little sad puppy. So I'd love to see pictures. Send them me. You'll find links below to my Facebook page. You can send them through there or my email, and I will post them on my page. Again, if I could draw too fast, just pause the video. And hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.